Hey guys, welcome back to the Thrifty Christian YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you guys what I've been working on. I've been working on creating what I call, and what the community calls, replenishables. So I don't know if you guys have ever noticed in some of my videos, I'm a hat guy. I like hats. So often I'll buy a new hat maybe every, maybe month or so. But that's pretty much what I've been working on. As far as the drop shipping thing goes, I started drop shipping hats, and I'm kind of getting away from that. But luckily enough, money was made that I was able to buy this brand new Hotronix hat press. And with this machine, I'm able to put my own patches on here or heat transfer like vinyl. And a lot of stuff. So that's just the tip of the iceberg, though, as far as what I'm about to tell you guys. And where I'm going with this. So basically, you can put patches, you can buy them in bulk, and you can put them on there. Heat press a patch on there, much like that right there. Beautiful quality product. That's a replenishable right there for me. So I can keep doing these over and over and over again, making more of them as the orders come through. Put them out on multiple platforms, and that's my replenishable. The other thing that I've been working on is I've been doing a lot of research on embroidery. And since I'm an artistic person, not autistic, but artistic, I have drawn a lot, and I thought it was always cool. I've always wanted to create my own clothing brands. But the money that you need to get into it is kind of high. But like I said, fortunately, drop shipping and thrifting and reselling has gotten me there to that point where I was able to go and buy this machine for $900. And this is probably the best one in the market. Hotronix, made by Stahl's, is probably one of the best ones. Now, they do have another one coming out that has the element on the bottom that heats up as well. This platen here, it also heats up. So that way it heats on the inside right here to the patch. But you know what? Honestly, after buying this, I kind of had some regrets, and I was like, it's probably not going to work right. But then I did my very first one last night, and it turned out really good. It really pressed that patch on there beautifully. And I'm really, really happy with it. Now, so I've been doing my research on the embroidery machines, right? And guess what? I just bought one. I made a decision, and I bought the Melco EMT 16X, I believe it is. And today, I don't know how they got this here this fast, but just ordered it like a couple of days ago, and my mighty hoops are already in. Mighty hoop. Then there's a smaller one. It's a 5.5 mighty hoop there. And then the big one down here is, what size is that one? That's the 11 by 13 right there. So my mighty hoops for the machine just came in today. I'm so freaking ecstatic. But I'm also a little worried because I've never done digitizing before. So for the designs and stuff, because I basically want to make patches, much like these. Actually, I want to make all kinds of patches, but the digitizing part is the part that kind of scares me a little bit, because I know that there's going to be a long learning curve to it, and I'm just going to try to do the best I can and start pumping out designs and embroidery designs on hats, clothing, jackets, whatever I can embroider, I'm going to embroider. But mainly just want to stick to hats right now, because that's where I believe a lot of I don't know, a lot of guys like myself, I'm just you know, trying to look at the market, trying to study it, trying to understand, you know, how often Columbia comes out with their new designs. And look, they're leaning toward the patch. Dun, dun, dun. So before they were just direct embroidering right onto the hat, and now they've started creating patches. So this is going to be fun, and this is really a simple embroidery design. Now the Columbia, I don't know if that right there is embroidery or not. It doesn't look like it. It looks like just the mountains, and then you have like a small satin stitch around the border. Then you have like a tack stitch to hold it in place. But that's where I want to go. I want to do some leather embossed patches, and then just go from there and see what happens. But that's what I've been working on lately, and I'm excited to share all the new stuff with you guys. Like I said, drop shipping, I'm pretty much done with it because it was just a stepping stone for me. I knew that it's not something that I like doing. It's too I don't know. It's just too nerve-wracking for me. There's no way that I can deal with, you know, the supplier being out of stock and then having to cancel an order. That to me is like the worst. But I don't know, I guess in a week the embroidery machine will be here, and I guess I'm gonna slide this table and rearrange some things here in the office, and then put it in this corner over here. And when it gets here, I'm going to do a video on it, do an unboxing for you guys, and encourage you guys to stay tuned, because I'm going to teach you guys how to find people who can digitize for you until you actually learn. That's my plan. I want to find people on Fiverr.com that can digitize things for me. You know, simple things, not really hard, difficult things, but simple things. And then we can talk about putting them on Amazon, eBay, Mercari, and Poshmark, or wherever. So guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thrifty Christian, I'm out.